Hello everybody, I'm Alexander from René, Paris, Aderans. Today I'm with Laurie, and this is Laurie from the Fair Fashion Collection, and this is in the lovely colour 9/2825. Now Laurie is a fully human hair wig, and I have put this texture in. So I've used a waver and I've put this gorgeous, really lovely texture into Laurie. And that's the beauty of our human hair wigs, is you can put any kind of texture and shape in there and manipulate it. So I thought I'd start with this texture, and then I would do a little, something like a little half up, half down possibly. So first off, I'm just going to come in like this and make some twists. So just going to twist this off the face. So let me just turn around so you can see. It's a very simple, nice little wearable style. So I just take the bobby pin and clip that twist back into there, like so. So we have that little twist running like so. Then I'm going to do the same again on this side, and then just grip this in. So the beauty of why this is working so well is we've got that lovely texture from that wave in there. So we just get this really nice effect, you know. So then I'm just going to do the same again. So 3 twists on this side for now. Okay. Finally, I'm just going to take this last section here and then again twist this into the back. So we have a really nice kind of effect that we get. It kind of makes the hair look a little bit like a bit rope-like, really. And then just pull this forward. So then we get that lovely twists in there. So then when I turn that back, you can see it's like a half up, half down, just by working these lovely twists. So again, and I can do this with Laurie because it's a lace front wig, so obviously it's really nice. We can really work those features and really bring that back, you know, twist it back and not feel that it's not going to look realistic, you know. It's going to look very realistic because of the lace front. I mean, how good does that look from the back? Oh, looks fantastic. And then we've got all the details of those twists, and that's how that looks on the side. And then look at that. That just looks amazing. So this, guys, ladies and gentlemen, was Laurie. And let me just take her off the stand a second. So Laurie is a human hair wig from the Fair Fashion Collection. She looks amazing. I love this little half up, half down. And I did that by putting a triple barrel wave in there, used some wavers, then just put some twists in there, really worked with that texture. And I think that looks gorgeous. Thank you everybody for tuning in. I'm Alexander from René, Paris, Aderans. You've been watching me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've done anything similar, please send your pictures in. We'd love to see. But for now, remember, follow us on all forms of social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.